Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon. In today's video, we're covering the last major home repair scam in our series, the fake utility worker scam. This one can be especially dangerous because it involves scammers posing as trusted utility workers. Here's how the scam works. A person knocks on your door claiming to be from your gas, water, or electricity provider. They say they need to inspect your house for leaks or other issues. Once inside, they either fake the inspection, telling you that something is broken and charging you for unnecessary repairs, or worse, they use the opportunity to steal valuables or gather information for future thefts. For example, in Texas, a group of scammers posed as water utility workers and convinced an elderly couple that they needed urgent plumbing repairs. They charged the couple $2,000 for fake work and even managed to steal personal items while inside the home. Scammers like this take advantage of your trust in essential services. They know that when people hear gas leak or water damage, they're likely to allow entry without much hesitation. To avoid falling victim to this scam, always ask for official identification and call your utility company to verify the worker before letting anyone in. Legitimate utility workers won't pressure you to make immediate repairs or payments. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. Stay safe, stay informed, and always verify before you trust. That's a wrap on our scam series. See you in the next one.